Hi, Christine. Thanks for sending some more questions. So for 13 and 14, we are utilizing again that these are 30, 60, 90 triangles. So we have the same ratio of sides that we talked about last time. So this, again, is the model that we're looking at. You'll notice I'm using A's instead of X's and Y's here, because sometimes they switch these on you and it can get really confusing. So let's call the side across from the 30-degree angle A. Then when we look at the sides across from the other two angles, the side across from the 90-degree angle is of distance 2a or of length 2a, and the side across from the 60-degree angle is of length a times the square root of 3. So looking at 13, you're going to notice that I rotated this into the same position as my model so that I can match up the sides. So let's go ahead and first solve for a, and then that will allow us to solve for x and y. So I'm just going to go ahead and match up these sides here. X is actually equal to 2a, y is equal to a, and this side down here matches up with a times the square root of 3. So now we're going to go ahead and solve for a in the only equation you'll have that only has a in it. This has an x, this has a y, this one only has an a. So we're going to set these equal to each other. 2 times the square root of 3 is equal to a times the square root of 3. We can go ahead and cancel out the square root of 3 on both sides, and we get a is equal to 2. So we can go ahead and fill in the rest of this triangle. Well, y is equal to a, and a is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2. And x is equal to 2a. So x is equal to 2 times 2, which is 4. We're going to go ahead and do the same thing for 14. We're going to use this model, go ahead and rotate it until it's in the same position, and then just match up the sides. So y is equal to 2a, x is equal to a, and 9 times the square root of 3 is equal to a times the square root of 3. This equation on the bottom is the only one that has only a in it, so we're going to use that. 9 times the square root of 3 is equal to a times the square root of 3. We can now solve for a. We can cancel out the square root of 3 on both sides, and we get a is equal to 9. So we can fill in the rest of our triangle. X is equal to a, and a is equal to 9. Therefore, x is equal to 9. And y is equal to 2a. Therefore, y is equal to 2 times 9 is equal to 18. Thanks again for your questions, Christine, and I look forward to answering more of your questions using SnapMath in the future.